Hi, Bill the Flavor Guy here once again. We're making soft serve ice cream with our Cuisinart soft serve ice cream machine. Make sure our top's closed, super important. In one of our bloopers, maybe we'll show you what happens when you don't have the top closed on this part right here. And we put this inside. So we have our mix we made with our vanilla, our aged vanilla. Give you the product number for that later. And then we have 817 coffee flavor concentrate. And what we have here is a fresh brew of coffee and some instant coffee crystals. We got it super cold, and we're going to add just a few drops of our flavor concentrate, NF817. There's my pipette. So I'm going to put them inside here first. So I'm going to pour my coffee inside. And that smells so good. Like coffee. The trick to making this machine work is to have your mix made either hours before or even the night before. It's kind of what we did, is we prepared this the night before, so it was able to sit and get really cold, and that helps the drum. So if you wanted to make two flavors, you could just wash this drum out. I noticed that after I wash it out, it's still freezing cold and still able to make another batch of soft serve. Although we haven't tried that out, we haven't tried to make a second batch in the same day. You could, I think, be successful with it, and it might actually truly be soft serve because the drum won't be as cold. It's plugged in, we're turning it on. We're going to pour a mix in, and the mix tastes amazing. It tastes like coffee, which is good because that's what we were trying to get to. It's been about maybe 20 minutes, and our mix is definitely soft serve. In fact, I better do this before it turns into a hard pack. It's not quite, I mean, it is soft serve, but a little softer. But let's taste it. Wow. If you follow this formula exactly the way it's on the screen, you're going to make one incredible coffee ice cream. We'll see you next time. Maybe we'll do some strawberry next time. We're going to have some more fun with some different machines, do some comparisons, different methods of making soft serve and hard pack ice cream. So until then, enjoy your flavors.